Meaning of 14th Amendment.
14th Amendment.
14th Amendment.
14th Amendment.
14th Amendment. The 14th Amendment to the United States Constitution was adopted on July 9, 1868, and granted citizenship and equal civil and legal rights to African Americans and slaves who were emancipated after the Civil War. The amendment abolished any state laws that denied these rights and provided protection against unequal treatment under the law. It also established the principle of due process for all citizens and prohibited states from denying any person life, liberty, or property, without due process of law. Overall, the amendment aimed to address the inequalities and injustices faced by African Americans in the aftermath of slavery and the Civil War.